Did you ever wonder why we have so many network transports, and more importantly, which one should we actually use? Let's figure it out. To cover all transports properly, we will go step by step. In this video, we will focus only on Edgegap transports. Quick note, today we are talking about transport configuration only. Server setup, lobbies and matchmaking, that's a separate topic, and we will cover it later. The goal of the series is simple, give you a clear overview of the transport options without unnecessary complexity. So, what is Edgegap? Edgegap is a managed game server orchestration platform designed for low latency multiplayer games. In simple terms, it automatically deploys your game servers as close as possible to your players, using edge computing. Edgegap provides two transport options, Lobby and Lobby KCP. Let's start with Edgegap KCP transport. First, the port. In Edgegap KCP transport used with Mirror and Unity, the port defines which UDP port the KCP server listens on. Edgegap runs your server inside a container, exposes a public UDP port and maps it to the internal one. So, the rule is simple. The transport port must match the container's exposed UDP port. Any free UDP port is fine. Dual mode allows the server to listen on both IPv4 and IPv6 at the same time. If your platform only supports IPv4, you can safely disable it. No delay is generally recommended. It reduces latency and helps avoid buffer buildup under load. In most cases, just enable it. Interval controls how often KCP updates internally. The default is 100 milliseconds, but for real-time games, a lower value is usually better. Lower interval means lower latency, especially with many networked entities. Timeout defines how long KCP waits before disconnecting. Keep in mind, KCP already sends pings automatically. Receive buffer size defines how much memory is reserved for incoming UDP packets. It's used when packets arrive faster than your game loop can process them. Too small, packets get dropped. Too large, higher memory usage and possible latency spikes. So, you want it big enough to handle bursts, but not excessively large. Send buffer size is the same idea, but for outgoing packets. It's used when the server sends data faster than the network can transmit it. Too small, stalls and congestion. Too large, packets burst and jitter. Now, let's quickly go through the advanced settings. Fast resend. Faster retransmission at the cost of bandwidth. Send and receive window size. How many packets can be in flight at once? Max retransmit. How many retries before disconnect? Maximize socket buffers. Let the operating system use maximum socket buffer size. Relay address is the public IP of the Edgegap relay node. Relay game server port must match your KCP port. Relay game client port is where the client sends packets. This separation allows the relay to safely manage traffic between clients and the server. User ID uniquely identifies a player. Session ID uniquely identifies a game session or match. Lobby URL can be generated automatically using the button below or enter it manually. Lobby wait timeout defines how long the system waits for a lobby to be assigned. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments which transport or topic you want to see next. See you in the next video.